What do we got there, Nicole? Oh! Oh, Luke! You almost caught Luke with that.
Okay, take a look out.
Here we go. Operation the Jones family swooping into action.
I don't know if I want to see this.
Good thing these kids are here. JP's family. Mr. Fishy. Hello. I have something in my mouth. Would you like to say something, Mr. Fish? Would you like to talking? Oh, it feels like I have a cavity.
Is that what you got me?
Someone, could they be a dentist?
It went through the bottom lip.
Don't they feel yummy? I don't think I got that on camera, but that was funny. We're going to watch JP in action, the master. That is actually a pretty big sized fish right there. Yeah.
And I caught it.
Give it up, baby. We are going to now terminate this recording before an animal is hurt or maimed. Or JP loses a finger. Garr! Swim away! Swim away! What did you think, Luke? Pretty cool?
Yeah, see?
Can we put this
Yeah.
back on the corner of the